Most people who use AI tools are leaving about 90% of the value on the table. They have one chatbot open, occasionally use it, and think they are set. They are not. The reality is that in 2026, there are specific AI tools built for specific jobs. Using the right tool for each job is the difference between saving 20 minutes a week and saving 20 hours. In this video, I am giving you 7 of them, covering 7 different parts of most people's work week. Every single one has a free plan or a free trial, so you can start today without spending a penny. Let's get into it. Tool number 1 is Fireflies AI, and this one is going to feel like magic the first time you use it. If you sit in meetings and you are still manually taking notes, Fireflies is about to change your life. Fireflies automatically joins your meetings as a silent participant, records the conversation, transcribes it with speaker labels, and delivers a structured summary to your inbox the moment the meeting ends. Not just a transcript, a proper summary with key points, decisions made, and action items clearly listed. You do not do anything. You just show up, talk, and Fireflies handles the rest. It also has a smart search feature that lets you find any specific moment from any past meeting by keyword. Instead of scrubbing through a 45-minute recording, you just type what you are looking for, and it takes you there instantly. Fireflies now also generates real-time bullet point notes during the call as it happens, not just after. It supports transcription in over 100 languages and integrates with Slack, Notion, HubSpot, Salesforce, and most major productivity and CRM tools. The free plan gives you 800 minutes of storage to test the tool. The Pro plan is $10 per user per month billed annually and removes the transcription cap, giving you 8,000 minutes of storage and full access to AI summaries and search. One thing worth knowing, Fireflies uses an AI credit system for advanced features like the Ask Fred assistant and detailed analytics. Credits are limited on every plan, including Pro, so if you are a heavy user, you may need to buy additional credit packs. Go in with that awareness, and it is still one of the best productivity tools available for anyone who attends regular meetings. Tool number 2 is Perplexity AI, and this is the tool that most people should replace Google with for any research task. Here is why. When you search Google, you get a list of links you have to click, read, and synthesize yourself. When you ask Perplexity, you get a direct, structured answer, already synthesized from multiple live web sources, with citations included so you can verify everything. It is searching the web in real time, which means the information is current. The free plan is genuinely useful for everyday questions and research. The Pro plan is $20 a month and unlocks deeper search capabilities, access to advanced AI models, and a research mode that can produce multi-page cited reports on complex topics. If you spend meaningful time looking things up, Perplexity will cut that time significantly. Go to Perplexity.ai. No account needed to start searching. Tool number 3 is Gamma AI. And if you have ever had to build a presentation from scratch in PowerPoint or Google Slides, you are going to appreciate this one immediately. Gamma takes a single text prompt and turns it into a complete, professionally designed presentation in under 60 seconds, not a rough template. A structured, visually polished deck with text, images, and layouts, all generated automatically. You type your topic or paste an outline, Gamma builds the deck, and then you refine it. It also builds documents and web pages from prompts using the same approach. Gamma 3.0 introduced the Gamma Agent, an AI design partner that can research topics by searching the web, restyle your entire deck with a single instruction, and pull in content from links or screenshots you drop in. Over 70 million people have used the platform, and it has generated more than 400 million pieces of content since launching. The free plan gives you 400 AI credits, enough to create around 10 full presentations to start, with Gamma branding on the output. The Plus plan removes the branding and gives you unlimited AI creations for $8 a month billed annually. For anyone who builds presentations, reports, or proposals regularly, this is a game changer. If you are finding this useful, now is a good time to subscribe. We cover a new AI tool every few days, and there is a lot more coming in this series. Tool number 4 is Claude. If you need to write anything of real substance, a long document, a detailed analysis, a research summary, a proposal, a strategy document, Claude is currently the best AI tool for that job. Its context window of 1 million tokens means it can read and reason over an enormous amount of information in a single session. Upload a 100-page document and ask it to summarize the key decisions, identify gaps in the argument, or draft a response based on the content. It handles all of that without losing track of anything. The writing quality is the most natural and nuanced of any AI assistant available, which is why researchers, writers, analysts, and consultants gravitate towards it. The free tier is capable enough for regular use. Claude Pro is $20 a month and gives you significantly higher usage limits and access to the most powerful models. If you do serious writing or document work, Claude belongs in your workflow. Tool number 5 is Grammarly AI, and this one is different from the others on this list because there is a good chance you already have it installed and are only using about 10% of what it can do. Most people know Grammarly as a spell checker. In 2026, it is a full AI writing assistant. Beyond catching grammar and punctuation errors, it now offers full sentence rewrites that improve clarity while preserving your meaning. Tone detection that tells you how your writing will land with the reader. And Grammarly Go, its generative AI feature, which can draft emails, rewrite paragraphs, brainstorm ideas, and generate content directly inside whatever app you are already writing in. That last part is the key differentiator. Grammarly works across over 1 million applications: Gmail, Outlook, Google Docs, Word, Slack, LinkedIn, your browser. So the AI assistant is always present wherever you are writing, with no switching between tabs. It has 30 million daily users and a 93 to 98% accuracy rate on grammar corrections. The free plan gives you unlimited basic grammar checking and 100 AI prompts per month. The Pro plan is $12 a month billed annually and gives you 2,000 AI prompts per month, full sentence rewrites, plagiarism detection, and advanced tone suggestions. If you write anything professionally, emails, reports, proposals, messages, this one earns its place in your workflow immediately. Tool number 6 is Canva AI. Canva has been the go-to design tool for non-designers for years, and its AI capabilities have made it significantly more powerful in 2026. The Magic Studio Suite inside Canva lets you generate images from text prompts, remove and replace backgrounds in a single click, restyle any design element to match a brand palette, and generate complete presentation decks from a one-paragraph prompt. The AI image generator now produces high-quality results consistently, and the Magic Eraser removes unwanted objects from photos with a simple brushstroke. Canva currently has over 220 million active users, and the overwhelming majority of what it does is accessible for free. The Pro plan is $15 per month per user and adds premium templates, a brand kit, and full commercial export options. For creating thumbnails, social media graphics, presentations, and marketing materials without needing any design skills, nothing is more accessible or more capable at this price point. Tool number 7 is Genspark. We did a full deep dive on Genspark in a previous video, so here is the highlight reel. Genspark is built around the idea that AI should not just answer your questions, it should do the actual work. The super agent takes a complex, multi-step goal and executes it autonomously, researching, building, formatting, and delivering a finished result without you managing every step. It uses 9 AI models working simultaneously, cross-referencing each other's outputs to reduce errors. It can build slide decks, documents, spreadsheets, and websites from a prompt. Its AI secretary connects to your Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Drive to handle admin on your behalf. And it recently partnered with Microsoft, which signals where this tool is heading. The free plan gives you 100 credits per day that reset automatically, enough to do meaningful work every day without paying anything. The Plus plan is $25 a month for heavier workloads. So there you have it, 7 tools, 7 different jobs. Meetings handled by Fireflies, research handled by Perplexity, presentations handled by Gamma, writing and documents handled by Claude, communication polish handled by Grammarly, design handled by Canva, and complex multi-step execution handled by Genspark. Every single one has a free starting point. Pick the one that addresses your biggest time drain right now and start there. If this video was useful, Hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow and reach more people. See you in the next one.